up, team? It's Tiara B, and in today's video you're in for a treat because I am going to be opening up a package from one of my dear subscribers. Her name is Sharina and she is the owner of Blessed and Healthy Temple, and I'm so excited to be collaborating with her on this video in support of her small business. You guys, we're claiming big business in the near future, so I'm going to make sure to put some links in the description for you guys if you want to check out some of these products. But let me go ahead and jump right into this package because I'm excited. So first and foremost, I did open it a little bit so to make sure I don't struggle too much with you guys here on camera. And the first thing I noticed is that there is a card inside and it says thank you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. How cute is that? It says, thanks honey, I thank God for you. Well, I thank God for you too, sis. Thank you. It says, thank you, T. I appreciate your support. May the Lord continue to bless you, Sharina. Thank you, sis. God bless you and your business, okay? All right, so let's just jump right into it. The first thing I'm seeing here is some red rosemary leaf and nettle tea. I also see some herbal hair tea. Okay, so sis is going to help me get my hair growing. Her and I go way back. We definitely have been subscribers of one another's channel for probably at this point a year or two. And her hair was also like mine, kind of stuck at the same length, and System figured it out. I'm still struggling over here, so she just reached out. She had to figure out how to get in contact with me because it's not so easy, especially with social media and everything. But we linked up and my sis had to give me a call. She said a message wasn't enough. So thank you for reaching out, sis. We had a good conversation over the phone and we'll continue to have many. And I bought some things from her and she sent me some gifts as well. So definitely appreciate the extra stuff because this is more than what I bought, girl. Thank you. So this says thank you. Stay safe and be well. Here's the packaging. So I believe this is what I purchased. Yes. So this is the whipped herbal moisturizing hair butter. So this is it right here. And some of the ingredients are shea butter infused with almond powder, fenugreek seeds, rosemary herb, organic olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed, and vitamin A, E, and coconut oil. There's also some glycerin. So sis definitely gonna get me right. So I'm excited about that. Let me just smell this real quick. Let me see. See, this smells like everything I need to get my hair growing because, honey, I know a good product when I smell it. And I like the texture. It's actually kind of like feels kind of like a foamy texture, almost like a sugar scrub, but it's not a scrub. I don't feel like sugar in it or anything. Oh, how moisturized. Girl, I cannot wait to use this stuff. I'm excited because wash day is right around the corner. So yes, so this is definitely going to help me with my moisture. Oh my gosh, so moisturizing. And it's all natural products, so I can rub it on my hands, my face. Give me an extra shine. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Okay, I got me some matte lip gloss. About to have my lips popping, sis. Look, my hand's so moisturized, I can't even open it. Let me keep on going. Okay. And what else do we have in here? Okay, so this right here is sealed. So I don't know what this is. Let's see. Sis wasn't playing about this packaging. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I figured it out. There was some tape around it. Okay, so let's see. Whatever's in here, she made sure it wasn't gonna spill. So thank you, sis. I sure appreciate that. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, it's oil. Oh my goodness. Okay, so look at her labeling. First of all, this is so beautiful and so professional. I don't know if this camera's gonna do it any justice, but this is herbal hair growth oil. What? Okay, so organic olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil. There's some vitamins and it's infused with some of the same things that the whipped moisturizing butter has in it, which is exciting. And one thing that I'm seeing that's in addition is the tea tree essential oil, and if you know, you know, tea tree oil will have your hair growing. So I'm excited. I'm fully confident that this is going to help me to grow my hair past where it's ever grown before. And I believe that these products are also blessed and anointed because I know that my sister be over there praying too. So this is what the oil looks like. I love that it has an applicator. That's a plus. It's soft. There's a couple of notes. It says homemade with love. This is her business, kind of like a business card, if you will. You can pause. This is really small, but you can pause it and grab what information you might need from here. There are two more things in here, and it looks like I got some of the shampoo bars. Ooh, thank you. So this one is a clay shampoo bar here, and it's so cute. I love the design, so I can, kind of like a brush, I can hold it and go ahead and shampoo my hair with it. And this one is the turmeric face soap. Oh, I was just talking about my face. Y'all gonna listen, you're gonna get this face, okay? Y'all gonna see. Okay, so this is a face bar. So this is gonna help. It's got some honey in it. It says evening prime rose. Use once or twice a week. Leave on face for 2 to 5 minutes. Wash face and moisturize with the shea butter. And then this one, let's see. Says clay soap will deeply cleanse and detox your scalp and your hair strands, define your natural curls, and strengthen your hair. Yes, ma'am. I feel so blessed. I really appreciate you sending me some extra goodies along with my purchase, sis. If you're watching this video, which I know you will, thank you so much for your support throughout the years. I definitely support you and your business as well. And thank you for everyone who is watching. Anybody who's interested in supporting our sister Sharina at Blessed and Healthy Temple, I highly recommend you do so because sis gonna get us together, okay? I've been trying to get my hair to grow all year, and I'm having tiny successes here and there, month after month, but I'm ready to take my hair growth to the next level. So I'm super excited, you guys. Stay tuned for some videos featuring these products. I will definitely be reviewing and demonstrating them as well. So hey, I'm Tiara B, and I am out.